Well, good afternoon, everyone. I am Gray Shut Down on the Sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-drive aerial perspective of Tesla's 11.4.4 full self-driving software. If you guys are liking the content, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know, we all know how that helps this crazy YouTube algorithm.
Hey, no, yeah, good job.
Yielded nicely to that car. Sometimes maybe good. I got thrown off for a second there. I was so used to going right.
Yeah,
I actually did it on the drone. Oops.
you're like, whoopsies, wait, come back.
I forgot the route we were doing.
BBC.
Alright, let me get better on this. There we go. Nice, you're winning on the license plate game.
I don't know, you had Florida, Texas,
Oh, I had Idaho too.
and Idaho.
Yeah. That setup okay?
Yeah, we're fine. All right, let's let Mr. Truck go. There you go.
Brake checking the guy behind us.
Well, we're brake checking the guy behind us. We're trying to get in the right lane.
I
It
know.
was a little chaos. A little chaos.
And this is something we don't like that it does, is that it cuts into this bicycle lane here.
Mm. One, because we do actually have a lot of bicycles.
And two, because they don't really street sweep here. And
In fact, I think I'm just going to cancel it.
it should auto it.
If it, we'll let it go.
We'll let it happen. It's not really that busy of a day.
Oh, thank you, sir. All right, so you got someone jaywalking.
Someone in the crosswalk, that's not jaywalking. They're legally allowed to do that. It was waiting for them.
No, they don't actually have the signal. You can't see that from my angle.
Oh, I see.
They don't have the signal to actually cross. It was a stop, don't go.
Got it. But they were in the crosswalk, so the car was yielding to it rather than.
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
That's what I was trying to say.
Hey, this guy has his turn signal on in front of us, so.
So we're not. So the software's not the only one that uses turn signals into the roundabout.
Whee. Hey, here comes a Gus Gus.
I3.
Mm-hmm. A white one.
Oh, yeah.
White and black. Okay, no one's coming, so we should go through just fine. Go. Give you a love tap because it's starting to come. Here we go. Good. Wow, that is 3 roundabouts in a row that it is nailed.
Not too bad.
Some love taps to get it going.
Yeah. But that's kind of, I mean, yeah, that's not too bad.
All right, in the Ghost Street. Wood's still up here, so I'm gonna disengage.
Sure.
I'll run over that wood.
Debris in the road.
Looks like an old shelf, like, or back of like a Jeep bookcase.
Yeah. You just never know if there's nails in those or not.
Well, yeah, I just don't want to run it over. Okay, we're gonna stop way back here.
I feel like that was brake checking for brake checking's sake.
We're gonna go right to go left. Like, you should see the steering wheel right now.
Oh, wow. Probably need to land, just so you know.
Do you want to land sooner than the
No.
other beach?
Okay.
Okay.
At our destination, I'll need to land.
Good turn.
Mm-hmm.
Wasn't sure with how far right the wheels were turned at the.
I agree.
Does smoke in the air affect the longevity of the batteries in Wilson?
No. Heat obviously has an impact, like temperature.
Heat, wind, that kind of stuff. I didn't know if smoke did.
Smoke will have an impact on like flight time.
People are in a mean mood today.
Yeah. Well, it's been hot for a few weeks, and then add in the smoke and back to school, and kids have been home the whole. I feel for everybody. Tough time of year.
Yep. Well, the good news is it won't run this as a red light like it did last time.
Thank goodness. Oh, because we have cars. Well, you guys, thanks again for tuning in. I'm Gray Shot Down on the Sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. This has been another full self-driving aerial perspective video. If you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps the crazy YouTube algorithm. And thanks for tuning in.